Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're talking about something very important, your heart health, and I'm going to show you 8 superfoods that can give your heart a healthy boost. Let's get started. Number 1. Blueberries. First up on our list are blueberries. These tiny fruits are packed with antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation and lower your cholesterol. Add them to your morning smoothie or eat them as a healthy snack. Number 2. Salmon. Next, we have salmon, an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s are great for lowering blood pressure and preventing blood clots. Grill, steam, or bake the salmon for a delicious heart-healthy meal. Number 3 is spinach, rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Spinach is a superstar for heart health. Try it in salads, smoothies, or as a side dish. Number 4. Nuts. Nuts, like almonds and walnuts, are rich in unsaturated fats, which are good for your heart. A handful of nuts a day can make a big difference. Number 5. Avocado. Don't forget avocado. This creamy fruit is not only delicious, but also packed with healthy fats and fibers that are good for your heart. Number 6. Dark chocolate. Yes, you heard it right, dark chocolate. Eaten in moderation, dark chocolate can help improve heart health by lowering blood pressure. Number 7. Whole grains. Whole grains like oats, brown rice, and whole wheat bread can help regulate cholesterol. They're also a great source of fiber. Number 8. Garlic. Last but not least, garlic. This flavor enhancer is not just good for adding taste to your dishes, but it can also help lower cholesterol and blood pressure. There you have it, 8 superfoods to keep your heart healthy and strong. Remember, alongside good eating, regular exercise is also crucial for your heart health. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more health tips. See you next time.